Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Yesterday filed this petition before the Supreme Court for enhancement of the sentence imposed in this particular case. Our case is it is disproportionate to the offence which has happened and the way the victim was treated. Our case is that the ground that long time has passed after the incident is not a ground. It is like giving premium to the accused for delay in the trial. That is not a sound ground. That is what we are saying. And we are saying that the offence is so serious for two reasons. One is the offence was repeated on the next day also, and the accused seems to have no remorse for it. The way the victim was harassed in the witness box, she was humiliated. That also calls for additional factor for imposing punishment. And we are saying that this should be a lesson and this should be a deterrence insofar as such offences are concerned. Those are the grounds we have urged in the petition before the Supreme Court.
गुन्ह्याचे गंभीर्य लक्षात घेऊन तेजपालाची शिक्षा वाढवची म्हणून गोंय सरकाराची सर्वोच्च न्यायालयात याचिका. हे विषयी सरकारी अधोगात प्रवीण फळदेसाय किती सांगतात ते ऐकात.
The state government is fully within their right to challenge the decision on the point of quantum of sentence. Enhancement can definitely be filed, and in fact, when the matter was argued for on the quantum of sentence, the learned Solicitor General of India had argued on behalf of the state, demanding maximum punishment, because he had pointed out to the court the manner in which the crime has happened, the manner in which the entire episode went on, and the severity of the crime. The learned Solicitor General of India had demanded that it must be a maximum punishment that should be awarded.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.